When I came to this school as a teacher, as your teacher, it was a very overwhelming experience because all of my students, they were very welcoming. As a new teacher, they were quite supportive. Whenever I used to enter any of the classes, whether it was my own class or any other classes, they used to attend the classes very sincerely. All of them used to pay attention. Although some of my students, they are very notorious, they are mischievous to some extent. Sometimes it is very difficult for me to handle them.
तो जैसे कि मैं जब ये स्कूल में आई थी पहली बार, तो अभी तो ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ, कुछ महीने पहले ही मैं आई थी। तो फर्स्ट जब ये क्लास दिया गया तब लगा कि शायद बहुत ही मुश्किल होगा बच्चे लोगों को पढ़ाना, क्योंकि फिर वो बच्चे इतना सारा बच्चा एक साथ जब होगा तब बहुत हल्ला मचाना शुरू हो जाएगा और ये थोड़ा सा वो भी हो जाएगा, मतलब मेरे लिए शायद टफ होगा बच्चे लोगों के साथ डील करना, ऐसा लगा था। लेकिन जैसे ही मतलब इनके साथ थोड़ा फ्रेंडली होना शुरू किया, जैसे ये स्कूल रोज़ आने लगे तो फिर इंटरेक्शन ज़्यादा होने लगा। उसके बाद लगा कि इतना भी टफ नहीं है जितना सोची थी, क्योंकि इनके साथ रहना, फिर अगर थोड़ा सा गुस्सा भी किया जाए तो फिर इनका मुस्कुराहट सब कुछ मतलब नॉर्मल कर देता है। और वैसे भी बच्चा लोग तो भगवान का एक रूप होता है, तो इनके साथ बैठकर बातें करना, इनको पढ़ाना और अच्छे से एक दोस्त की तरह अगर पढ़ाया जाए तो फिर ये जल्दी भी सीख जाते हैं।
The success of the teachers depend on the students. As you know that the children are the bird of the garden. So बच्चे मेरी क्लास के जो हैं they are very good to everything. जो भी मैं लर्न कराती हूँ, जो भी मैं टीच कराती हूँ, they are very much to listen me and they are very much to listening my everything. ये बहुत अच्छे से सुनते हैं और बहुत अच्छे से सीखते हैं और जल्दी चीज़ों को बहुत जल्दी कैच भी कर लेते हैं। जैसे कि आप अगर मैं ड्राइंग की बात करूं या कोई भी सब्जेक्ट की बात करूं, ये बहुत जल्दी सीख जाते हैं। और ख़ास करके मैं प्री प्राइमरी की बात करूं तो बच्चे जो हैं खेलते खेलते चीज़ों को बहुत जल्दी सीख जाते हैं। जैसे कि मैं बोल सकती हूँ मोक्ष, विच कलर इज़ येलो, येलो फाइंड द येलो कलर, मोक्ष फाइंड द येलो कलर, फाइंड द येलो कलर, यस। तो बच्चे खेलते खेलते सीखते हैं बहुत अच्छे से। जैसे कि एवरीवन स्टैंड अप, यस, सिट डाउन, टच योर आईज, टच योर आईज, टच योर नोज। ऐसे बच्चे छोटी छोटी चीज़ों से बहुत जल्दी रिलेट करते हैं और छोटी छोटी चीज़ों को देखकर ही सीखते हैं।
As a teacher, I believe that igniting the interest for learning among the students, this is the only responsibility of a teacher. Always we have to make them involved in the classroom activity. Yes, I believe that some students, they are very naughty, they don't pay attention in the classroom properly, but as a teacher it's our responsibility to make them involved, because every children, they need a reason to come to school, and as a teacher we have to give them the reason.
Still, once I tell them, once I convince them about all the things that they do, what is right and what is wrong, they understand it. So firstly, for sometimes it is difficult, but later they understand my feelings and they cooperate whenever I teach in their class. So for me, to get such wonderful students, to get such wonderful children, to become their teacher, it's a blessing. It is because of you all, it is because of my children, my students, that they call me as a teacher. It is because of you that I am able to follow my passion. Yes, since my early childhood days, I was very passionate about teaching. I love teaching, and here I am able to do such things. I am able to follow my dream and passion, and only because of you all. So I heartily want to thank you for all this, for being my student. So I hope all of you will have a bright future, will do good in your studies and become officers and Not only officers, I want all my students to follow their own dreams. Do not come under any such pressure, whatever you are passionate about. And later, once you become successful, don't forget your teacher. I hope that you will come back to meet me someday and in your own words thank me about all those things that I did, that I have done, that I have been doing. Lastly, I want to wish all my students, all my children, Happy Children's Day.